Hi Isha,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm well. Thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine, feeling extremely fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions related to morning activities. Okay,
Okay.
when did you wake up today?
I woke up at 5:30.
Half past five, means
Yeah.
5:30, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do after waking up?
After waking up, I went to brush.
You went to brush your teeth.
Yeah.
Okay. And at what time or when did you have your breakfast this morning?
I had my breakfast at 6 o'clock.
You had a breakfast at 6 o'clock. What did you have for breakfast?
I had a cup of tea and some biscuits.
For breakfast, okay. After that, did you go anywhere?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
You went to school, okay. When did you come back from school? At what time?
I come back from school at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, you came back from school. Okay, fantastic. And when did you come to the IBES today?
I come to IBS at
I came to
I came to IBS at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling ecstatic,
Ecstatic. What do you mean by ecstatic?
very happy.
Very happy. Very happy. In one word is ecstatic.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant.